The HomeAware Vibe personal alert page with help button is easy to link to your system. But first we need to do a little bit of prep work. First you want to make sure that the Vibe is fully charged. Note that a full charge may take up to 3 hours. Then, on the base of the pager, toggle the switch to on. You then need to choose at least one of the 4 notifications: V for vibration, S for sound, F for flash, C for color. You can mix and match as you'd like, but you need to choose at least one. As these switches are quite small, you may find it easier using an unfolded paper clip or the tip of a pen to move the switches. Now you're ready to link the Vibe to your HomeAware system. Press Setup on the main. You will see the word link appear on the screen. Then press Enter and link will begin to flash. Then press the pager button on the front of the Vibe and they will automatically connect. It will then ask you to pick your notification message. To select your notification, use the right 2 blue buttons to scroll through the display names. Once you have selected the one that you would like, press Enter and Done will appear on the screen. Thank you. Enjoy your HomeAware system.